pangit-pangit ni Joven. Itlog niya parang Jolen. Pakboy shot to the highest. Ang utak niya parang Provency.
Hey, hello guys. Sorry for not posting for very long time. Wala kasi talaga kaming magawa and nag-start na yung school year namin. Okay? Pasensya na and thank you. Tas, enjoy!
Hello guys.
We have a
Hello.
sincere apology for not posting.
Wala po kaming ma-content.
At medyo nakalimutan na namin na
Content
channel.
natin si Justin.
And may isang tao dito sa pinaka-right in my FOV. Nagigitara lang, nakalabas yung itlog.
Sa GC. Okay. So, ay mga kasama ko po for today is MJ, Chino, Andre, and Justin. Alam namin po, hindi niyo po nakita si Andre, pero yan po, Andre, isa po naming matalik na kaibigan.
Na-addict sa bata. Ay,
Let's start.
I forgot to choose the map. Alright, my bad.
Family home.
Yeah, I know.
Family home.
Sweet.
We are going to play, Spectre.
Hard mode. So
It's
we're not-
basically just like Phasmophobia, but on Roblox.
Why don't we download Phasmophobia?
Because it costs money.
No, we can buy crack.
Because, bro, it's not that good.
Wala naman hahawak ng camera.
Alright, let me get a camera.
Flashlight.
Who the fuck took my thermometer? Give me my thermometer, my guy.
Okay, I'm gonna enter now.
Sinali mo. Sino? Ito.
Sa
You
ano
all
tong
dropped
ano.
it! Okay, never mind. What's it? Okay, guys, we're about to start. Wait, Luis, are you share screening?
Yeah.
Alright, that's good enough. Alright, guys,
Sweet home pa, sweet home.
10 degrees, 90
Off niyo yung mga ano,
degrees,
off niyo yung mga
8
ilaw.
degrees, 9
No, don't off it yet.
9
Stairs,
degrees, 9
upstairs.
degrees, 9 degrees, 10 degrees,
Sino may hawak
7
ng
degrees, 8
temperature?
degrees. Ako. Alright, I got you.
Nag-jump scare ako
Ang
doon.
dilim.
Nandun na lang.
Why are you
Ano,
always
hindi
getting
ko-
jump scared by the same stuff, bro?
Come on, man.
If this is another Poltergeist, bro, I'm gonna kill this shit, bro. I'm annoyed by this guy, bro.
Well, there's bones.
Bones?
Found it. I already found
Clear
it.
tong quarter na to. Clear tong quarter na to.
I feel something getting hot in here, my guy. 3 degrees is not even funny anymore. Wait, EMF reader?
Inalaw niyo yung mga book.
Clear yung mga kwarto sa taas.
He's a Poltergeist, bro. Ain't no fucking way.
I don't think is.
Gumalaw siya ng books.
Okay,
there's
wala sa
literally
banyo.
no bad.
I'll turn on the breaker.
Lang, pumunta ako sa...
Uy, nasa
pumunta ako sa
baba.
labas.
Nakita ko yung shadow sa camera.
Okay, tignan nyo yung basement.
I just checked it. There's really nothing.
Should we like get out of the house or...
Labas muna, labas muna.
Let's get out first for team meeting.
Come on, man.
Uy,
Alright, so we
Ah,
started.
there's no evidence yet.
Yeah, not yet. Yeah, let's go back.
maliit.
Ay.
Anino lang, loko.
But not this stupid house, bro. I would never come back to this house if I were
May
there,
ano
bro.
ba?
May...
May
Kamusta kaya dito?
fingerprints?
No.
So,
I found the guy.
Here
He's
yung
an-
outside.
He's either an Oni, demon, spirit, or revenant because I already saw his body.
me too. I just saw him literally scared of shit.
Tara underground.
Oh yeah, he's here.
Alright.
He's here. He's probably
Turn up niyo yung ano, flashlight.
Should I use the crucifix now?
He's here. Okay, get ready. He's coming.
Ah, namatay ako.
Oh, gago. Okay, he's, according to my, like,
What the fuck? He's here.
according to my thoughts, he's Oni.
No, he's literally standing in my face, bro.
He's fast.
Correct.
He's fast. He's fast.
And he just showed himself, bro.
Sino nagtutok sa akin ng flashlight kanina?
Bro, I didn't do any shit.
Loko kang MJ ka.
Need your help here if I'm gonna try to get something here.
Lapit ka,
Aha.
may cross si Luis.
Tumatawag siya.
Fish.
It's 1 degree here. This man
Huh.
is probably here, bro. EMF reader. 2 bits.
Oh, wow.
Whoa! He just showed himself! Bro, why is he showing himself? That's not even fair!
Wait, how do
Can
I
you
get
turn off the lights,
camera?
people?
Hang on, top
How
of
do
the
I get off
lights.
camera?
I found a fingerprint. I found a fingerprint.
How do I get off camera? Hello?
Right click.
Why? I'm right clicking.
Uy, huwag niyo tutok kay Luis.
Luis, I might need your... Wait, guys, what?
Mamamatay yan pag tinutok mo yung flashlight sa kanya.
Yeah, we're dead!
Ayun na,
We're
ayun na, ayun na,
dead!
ayun na.
He's here! MJ, get away from the door! He's right there!
Uy, yung cross.
Boss!
He'll be
Wait, yung
gone.
tututok ng camera, ng ano, flash.
Yeah, he's gone. He died.
There's notes! There's notes!
Oh, yeah. Is it... Check the temperature and the EMF now.
2 bits.
Okay, temp.
1 degrees. It's not even... It's not even that
So
hot
may
in here,
writing.
bro. It's 1
Yeah, it
degree!
is-
May
What the
fingerprint.
hell?
Alright, we're done. Alright, let's get out of this house. We're done.
Then he kills us before we...
51 years old.
We're done.
Why the
Ano
fuck he
predict
has
mo?
to...
Please, wag
Why
mo
does he
ko
have to
kami.
steal a
Only
game anymore?
Okay, so we have writing,
Wait lang,
fingerprints, spirit box.
Freezing.
Banshee
No.
siguro,
Freezing,
Banshee.
No, we have writing, spirit box, and fingerprints. It's a spirit.
Or Yurei to, Yurei.
Hindi, ano siya? Spirit. We have writing, spirit box, and fingerprints as evidence.
He's actually so cool. He's actually so good,
Wait
bro.
lang.
If he's not so good, he literally has 1 degree. Alright, let's go. Did y'all add it yet?
Alright.
Luis na malutang?
Huh?
Yeah! Yeah, I saw him once. He was like this. He literally... Bro, I saw it, bro. He always targeted me, bro. He was like this.
Why are you trying to kick? It was a spirit. It was a spirit. It was a spirit.
Right.
W win.
Nice. Next game.
Nice.
3.
La, 1 o'clock na guys.
Happy 1 o'clock.
Happy 1 o'clock.
Please subscribe.
Justin, can you add some
6, 7,
N-words? Because
3.
you got nerfed. Can you add an N-word? Justin.
96,
Justin, add an N-word. Justin, can you do N-word?
7, 3, 6.
No.
Please, MJ.
Don't do it, Justin.
Justin, can you do it for the family?
Do it.
Please. Alright, let's go already.
Alright.
Say the N-word, Justin. Justin, sabi mo na N-word.
Ungal ka muna. Uy, mukhang sad boy si Justin, oh.
Please.
Guys, nasa YouTube tayo.
Ay,
Can you say the N-word, Justin?
no.
Thank you so much.
Naka-YouTube tayo, naka-YouTube tayo.
I
Latol, bardagulan lang to.
got you, I got you. I got you, honey bun.
Gawin ko lato-lato, bitlog mo dyan eh.
Gag. Gago na yun, boy.
Bar
Na-disconnect ako. I'll join back.
Aww.
Look at him, my guy. He's moonwalking.
I'm moonwalking, bro.
Since our daddy left us.
Daddy? Kinausap nyo? Where's my stuff? What are the evidence we have? Writing and freezing temperature?
Writing MF5.
Wait lang. Saan nyo nahanap yung ano? Malamig.
Basement. It's the worst spot to ever go, bro.
Jesus.
Nice.
Dito, dito.
He's wait. Wow. Yeah, yeah.
Ay.
Degrees.
to
No,
notice.
there's writing. What did he say? What did he say? Let me check. Can I check?
Took my notebook.
We're dead. So
We're done, we're done.
Crucifixion! Luis!
Yeah, man.
You're
Don't
gonna
worry.
kill me.
Don't take that crucifix! Oh my god, someone took the crucifix. Okay.
Sino
Who
namatay?
died?
Wala.
Oh, who took my thermometer? Oh, yeah, we don't need. Writing? Is he writing?
No, he's not.
I just saw him write, bro. He writes. Okay, so he writes. Have you seen a MJ? Have you seen a orb?
Nope.
have
Tara,
to get
akyat
away.
na.
Yeah, let's just go home, bro.
Pero feeling ko ano siya. Wait lang. May writings, may
May
EMF,
freezing temperature ba yun?
Only 1 degree. I don't even.
Feeling ko Oni to Oni.
Oh, feeling ko
Bro,
ano
you
siya.
you just got jumped by a fucking onion. You're not thinking it's an onion every time. Does it have wait, MJ, does it have orbs?
No.
What is our sanity looking like?
Very bad.
Bad.
Ito, flashlight to.
Feeling ko,
I'm dead.
feeling ko
I'm
Revenant
dead.
siya.
Ay, bye-bye. I'm
Bye,
dead.
you're dead.
It's me.
Alright, ghost.
What's up, bitch? What's up? You look ugly as
Dito ko
fuck.
is
Why
camera.
is Andre here, bro? Andre's not here. Andre, you look ugly as fuck.
Nag-EMF 5 na siya?
Yeah, once. Once.
One.
Sino namatay?
Me. Nabulong ako.
MJ, huwag mong pulutin. Ako na lang. Palit tayo. Swap. Ito.
Hindi ako na lang.
Bilis.
Saan kayo? Gusto nyo?
Swap. Drop mo yun.
Ay, pause.
Drop mo yan.
Is he
Pause.
talking, Luis?
Mal.
Is he talking?
No.
This is
Potek.
bad, bro. Luis is at the worst spot to exist, but this is the worst spot, the computer place. You know why? Because it's so ass, bro. It's so slow.
You'll get killed instantly.
Yeah, bro. One of y'all, bro. There's literally no way you can literally walk away. Yo, just leave. Don't.
Ito na, Vince. Sa taas.
We found the fingerprints.
Buti nakita ko kahit wala ako
What's our
flashlight mo ako.
evidence? What's our evidence?
I have speculations. EMF 5 first. We have EMF 5, then fingerprints, then writing. I think.
In a 5.
I don't even know about the MF5 thing, bro. We might regret that shit. Wait, let's just check more.
Fingerprints writing.
I'm gonna die if I check more.
Who has the balls to help to use the ghost orb in here with me?
Ano pang i-check mo?
Bro,
Boy.
I
Yun
wanna
na lang
see.
yung ano ko.
Bro,
Pass
don't
na
worry
ako
about the
dyan,
insanity.
guys.
Don't worry about the insanity. What makes insanity?
Hmm.
It makes you more.
Okay, it's impossible. It's impossible he speaks, so I'm gonna drop that. And it's either freezing temperature or
No, it can be freezing temperature. You know why? It was only
Why?
1 degree. It's not even that bad.
so it's writing.
I don't
Yeah,
know
right.
about the
writing.
MF5, bro. I only see it was on red, which is 4. So I don't even know about that, bro.
Jesus
I did
Christ.
saw writing, you know.
Let me check. Let me check.
We
Orbs
do
can-
have writing.
Yeah. Get away. Get out. Let's just go MF5. There's nothing we can do.
Alright.
If we check right, if we do the same shit. Does he? Have you spoken? Have you spoken?
He hasn't
No.
spoken to me once.
Yeah, that's MF5. That's a revenant. On my mama, bro. That's a revenant.
I think
Oh, my
too.
mama.
Alright,
Oh, my
let's
mama.
finish this.
Bro, I'm the best player in this game, bro. Holy shit.
Hell no. Hell no.
Revenant. I will be gay. This is not a revenant. I will be gay, bro.
How though?
Hold on. Ah! Lalaki ako, guys.
Hmm.
Alright, I just wanna go to bed. We
Wait.
need at least 2 dubs from 3 games, bro. Come on.
We've lost 2.
No, that's not
I know.
that.
We won 1, then lost 1. This is our final redemption.
We lose this, bro. If we lose this, we're gonna go turn gay.
No, I disagree.
No, we have to
I
make it.
disagree.
We have to make
I
it.
disagree.
We have to make it. Bro, let's at least try to make it entertaining, bro. Enough.
Fine.
If we fumble this, we're becoming gay, bro.
No.
I firmly disagree.
No, we have to. Oh,
I
no,
hardly
no,
disagree.
no. If we fumble this, we're gonna dance body rock.
That's acceptable.
My guy.
Yeah, sure.
Some shorts. Alright, we at least have
Ako na
a.
sa camera.
Ay! Nasa akin yung camera.
Alright, we gotta get a feeder and yeah, we're.
Uy, okay na yung camera. Pati yung tablet.
Ako na
Uy,
yung
Guys,
tablet.
guys.
Nasaan?
Alright, MJ, we're about to carry.
Oy!
Luis, we're about to
Yung
carry.
tablet.
Alright, 1 degree.
Ay!
Alright.
Okay,
1 degree. What's good?
Turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights, baby.
Hello.
Nagbabasag. Tablet. Gana.
Alright, 2. We already got 2 off. Alright. I'm gonna place the crucifix in the kitchen so no one's leaving the kitchen, okay? I need to... Okay, we're done. I found fingerprints. We're done here. Let's go.
Saan mo nahanap, Luis?
Nasa glass. We're done.
We
We're done
we're
here.
literally trying to avoid being. We're trying our best to not.
Okay. We have
Third box.
right. We have spirit box, fingerprints, and
Good si Andre, guys.
EMF 1.
EMF. Oh, we still need one more. All right. Check
Okay.
for orbs. Check for orbs.
All right, give who has the ano? Who has the ano mask? Who has the mask?
No one. Si ano,
What?
si Andre.
We don't have the orbs. I mean, we need to win this, bro. If we lose this,
I found 2 fingerprints.
yeah, he's definitely gonna
Aswang na yan, loko.
No one's leaving the kitchen.
Alright, we won. I don't know.
Orbs.
Uy,
Orbs.
nag-ready sa kitchen and...
Okay, tas nemesis pa muna natin. Poltergeist. Please be a poltergeist.
Let's go!
It was alright. Nice.
I'm the
Nice.
best player in the game, bro.
Okay. Thank you for watching.